Is Hamster Kombat game a legit game, or is it just one of those scams that you see on the internet? Hi friends, if you are new here and you want to learn more about Hamster Kombat and other airdrop games, please subscribe. So Hamster Kombat game is a Web3 play to earn game that uses Telegram as their platform. So you play on the platform and you are able to earn coins, airdrops. These airdrops, these coins are basically pushed by the community of people who use the coins in the ecosystem. So when you use the link in the description box or in the comments, it takes you to Telegram. So if you are not using Telegram, you need to download Telegram first of all, because you can only play this game on Telegram. Now within the game ecosystem, that is this Hamster 3 Kombat, they have different ways by which you can earn coins. Now, how do these coins translate to your currency? Now, that is where listing on cryptocurrency exchanges comes in. The Hamster Kombat coin has not been officially launched. However, you can find them on certain crypto sites that would exchange it as IOUs. Okay, so while the company has not launched it as a coin yet, the plan is that in the future it will be launched on crypto exchanges. So you can go on those exchanges, exchange the coins that you mine for value, right? Okay, so as at today, it is being traded at 0.39224 cents. That is the value as at today, and a lot of people are trading with the ecosystem of the coins. All right, so that's what you need to understand. So how do you make these coins? Like I said, it is a game, and within the game they have their own ecosystem. Okay, so these are the ways that you would earn within the ecosystem of Hamster Kombat. So first of all, you have daily tasks that you need to perform. So once you perform those daily tasks, you get rewarded with coins. So number one of that daily task is watching their YouTube videos. So every day on the Hamster Kombat app, they will put a video. So because I think because they'll put a video for you to watch. So when you watch that video, you are entitled to 100,000 coins, right? Let me see. Yes. Let me see. Then they usually have two videos for you to watch. Okay, so when you watch that, that's 200,000 coins. Then you also need to follow them on their various platforms. So their Telegram group, their Twitter, develop marketing channels, or X, excuse me. You need to follow them on those platforms. So when you follow them on those platforms, you also earn coins. Then if you also refer your friends to download the game, to use your link, just like I'm doing in the comment section, you increase your earning of the coins. Also, they have daily check-in. So anytime you open the game every day, you are going to get something from opening the game every day. So those are the basic ways that you can earn in the ecosystem. Then you can now mine the coin, which is what a lot of people do when you are tapping every day. As you tap, you increase the value, you increase the coins, okay, because you are mining by tapping. So as you are tapping, you are spending time on the platform, so your coins keep increasing. Then they now have different ways that you can now increase the value of the coins that you have. Okay, so they have their daily ciphers, they have keys and all of that. So that's the basic beginner understanding of this Hamster Kombat game. Is it a get rich quick scheme? No.
This one.
All right. What is the validity that it is going to become money? Like everything in life, you have to be willing to take a risk, right? Okay, and you are not spending any money to play these games. Okay, so you are just doing it on your free time. You are exchanging your time, okay, for the promise of the coins, right? And also within their ecosystem, there are different things you can purchase. So on Hamster Kombat, they give task that you do. So you watch videos. So I've just watched 2 YouTube videos now. Then you have daily task. Join our Telegram channel. I think I did that yesterday. Let me see. Yeah, I'm already in the Telegram channel, right? Okay, so wait, let's go back again. So I'm supposed to. Where are we playing the game, please? Yeah, play. Okay, so I've gotten the reward. Follow on X. Okay, let's see. I just followed. So I'm gonna go back. It said join. I already joined, so I'm going to check in 1 hour's time. Then invite 3 friends. I've not invited anybody, so if you're interested in making money on this platform, I'm going to put my link. Choose your exchange. Check. Task is incomplete, so you need to choose an exchange. Binance, OKX, crypto.com. So I'm going to choose Bybit as my exchange because Bybit is working in Nigeria. Okay, so what else are we supposed to do? Bybit exchange, daily rewards, playground, more games coming. So you have opportunities to play more games and you can earn. Okay, this was where we were. So now I have to check. Yes, now I'm following you guys. So I'll come back and check in an hour. I've chosen my exchange. Yes, good. So daily task. Accrue coins for logging into the game daily without skipping. So yesterday I got 500. Today I will claim my 1000 airdrops. Okay. Not all those people that were chopping my money just now. So wait, my clone army. How do you play that? Oh, it's a game. I will download the game on Google Store. Really? My clone army. Let's see. Please like this video, guys. My first time on Hamster Kombat. My get more keys. Okay, so each key is a valuable asset. Play Hamster FAM games and get more keys. Okay. So I have 14,000. Hey, let me go and tap. Let me go and tap. So this was where I was before that. Okay, it's mining. I honestly don't understand the games that changed history. Profits 4K per hour. So what are all these things? Anyway, I'm going to do more research and come and teach you guys in case you are new to the Hamster Kombat ecosystem. All right, so yeah, this one is your setting, coins animation. Okay, airdrop. So you have airdrop collection points, all the activities that users do playing convert into airdrops points. Every single thing is important. The way you play, your social media your social activity, earning keys, all your points will be taken. So anything you do on this platform is something. Okay, the golden rule of a successful business is that it should work for you. Passive income is an important concept of the game. Invest your in-game currency and make sure your exchange mines more assets for you. Okay, keys are a valuable asset to build a sustainable platform. We need to open a great amount of locks on proper doors. Okay, so these are the different ways to collect points. All right, withdrawal, it connects to your Ton wallet. Okay, so I'm going to do a tutorial on how to do this for you guys. Okay, all right, so this is what so if you invite your friends, okay, if you invite a friend, you earn 5,000 airdrops. If you invite a friend with Telegram Premium, you'd earn 25,000. More bonuses. Bonus for leveling up. Silver for friend 20, gold 30,000, platinum 40,000, diamond 6,000. Okay, you guys, I'm going to put the link if you want to play this game and make some money, some airdrops. Okay, airdrops, so it's not physical cash yet. Find the combo card below and pump it up. How do we know what the combo card is? Fan token, legal. So I can afford to do this 100. Implement your customer's verification to identify users. So the request is processing. It has gone. Okay, let me just do what we can. Okay, so these things now are mining. Is that what it is? Legal opinion 1K. Let's take a risk and see. Let's mine this thing. Okay. So my airdrops has reduced. So profit plus 510 per hour, then KYB profit. So I'm going to be making profit on all these things that I'm mining. Is that it? Anyway, tomorrow we're going to there's a Nigerian license Nigeria 1,000 plus. Okay, so let me see what this is. Tomorrow I will get back to you guys on the results. So this is what I'm mining. I think it does do. So I'm expecting plus 744 per hour, right? Okay, that's all right. Legal Web3, we're not qualified to do this. Specials, new card, my card. So which card do I have? Buy at least one special card to enter the special. So my new cards. How much do I have? Gym Hamster 12K. I don't even qualify for any card here. The only card that is here is 9. Oh yeah, now let's buy it. Let's see. So I'm expecting 600 plus airdrops per hour. Okay. Let us see how that works. VIP Sana airdrop. So let's just tap a bit before I finish this video. So this is what the Hamster Kombat ecosystem looks like. Okay. Alright, if you're interested, check the link in the pinned comment and in the comment section. Okay. So I'm expecting 1,300 coins per hour, right? So we're currently at 2,000 as at 7 p.m. So I'm going to check back at after 8. So let's see what we'll get.